Hey champions, today I'm going to be making some shrimp balls. I got this off of It's Good channel. Go over there and follow her. I'm gonna make mine into balls. She made hers into patties.
Not lobster meat, but crab meat. It's crab meat.
I just crushed up this habanero, onion, ginger. I chopped it up in my food processor. Sneezed, blew my nose, and now my whole top lip and nose is burning because I didn't wash my hands after touching that hot habanero. So my whole face, middle of my face is burning. So you guys just don't make that mistake. So I'm going to come back with a mukbang when I finish. Hey champions, I'm just going to go through how I make these shrimp rolls, and at the same time I'm going to be listening to my video.
I'm going to be sharing with you the most
so I had them in the freezer.
That you can do for feeling 100% whole, complete, and worthy. By the end of this video, you are going to feel like a completely new person.
So the first thing I'm going to do,
Welcome back to my egg. My name's Aaron, and I help people expand their consciousness. Now, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you that of the most powerful meditation that I've ever created for that of feeling worthy, whole, and complete. Now, this is something that I've been making videos on more lately because I've been sharing more about how our core beliefs.
So I'll take my frozen patty and dip it in my egg.
As well, because what I used to say is that our beliefs create our reality. Well, they do. However, this is the thing as well, is we always get in life a reflection of who we are.
Flour.
But we always get in life also a reflection of what we believe we deserve. So even if we want to attract something into our life,
Egg
if we
again.
don't believe that we're worthy of it, then we will create subconscious blocks within us. We'll create experiences that in a way block that from happening because it's out of alignment with the way that we feel about ourselves. So this is something that also trickles out, like how you feel about you is something that is constantly being emanated out, even if it's something that's more subconscious and you don't have to say anything, but people can feel it. So when you start to love you more, it's then things on the outside begin to change. Then people start to view you differently, and it's not because you necessarily done anything differently, it's more so that just your energy has changed, and the way you feel about you has changed. And that's why, if you've ever felt like you were in a really good mood, and things were just happening for you in the right place at the right time, it's because the energy that you were emitting off was more in alignment with who you naturally are. Now, if I look at the beliefs that most people have, and looking at what they believe to be true to what they're experiencing in their life, I would say that the one belief that most people have that holds them back is simply people believing that they are not worthy, comparing themselves to other people, and putting this expectation, this, in a way, a rule as to what
I'm going to finish listening to my
and what it takes for them to feel worthy. And because of this rule, because of this mindset,
my YouTube video while I bread these up.
we then experience almost like a filter
I'll be
around
back.
us that is blocking us from experiencing who we really are. Think of it like the visual I just got in my mind is like this filter around us, and that filter becomes more and more cloudy.
Hey champions, you know how you don't even want to get up and do any I don't know if any content creators ever felt like they don't even want to do content. I'm a new content creator and I've been doing my little mukbangs. I was just tired today, but I gotta do the rest of the mukbangs, so here I am. This is what we have. We have shrimp patties. I made me some corn. And I guess they call this bang bang sauce. I don't know. Anyway, me and Bubba over here chilling. And, yeah. Let's get into it. It's hot here in Vegas. Maybe that's why I'm feeling this way. It's just hot. Ugh. So I don't know how that was gonna come out, but anyway, I made me some corn, and then this is what the inside looks like. Hold on. Can y'all see that? Why is it so blurry? There we go. Yeah, so my version of bang bang sauce, I put some cilantro, tiger sauce, and what's I put in here? Fresh garlic, mayo. One more, something else. Anyways, I'm gonna post the ingredients at the end of the video. I already had 3 of these already, so I'm already full. I just came on here to show y'all the finished product. I only eat once a day, so I get full real quick. I'm gonna try this sauce on this corn. Almost tastes like, you know, that corn you be getting from the Mexican. You got garlic? What? Bang, bang. Mukbang, mukbang, bang, bang. Really good. When I turn the light on, why he go? I'm so through with this food, I don't know what to do. Call itself running away this weekend. No. Can y'all see my salt rock? My salt rock right here. Clearing the energy in the room. Sucking out all the negative. So, I'm not going to talk about anything today, but I just want to say this about energy and how you got to follow your own mind. I'm trying not to put no names out there. I don't want nobody to think I'm bashing anybody or anything, but this particular person married this particular person, right? So the person that she married was doing a bid. A bid is you go to jail and you got a whole bunch of years. So he was doing a bid. He gets out. Everybody's wondering, well, how the fuck he get out? He must be a snitch. Woo, 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 right? Anywho, he gets out, starts going to church, He's just church. You know how to do. Cheers, because we whining and dining. He gets out. They churchy, she hallelujah, and this, that, and the other, and they just glory to be to God. Come to find out, last Thursday, okay, I was in California, and I know I got corn all in my teeth, so I'm probably parsley and everything else, so don't look over that, okay? So he decide he gonna pull up into the park and smoke his crystal meth. Smoke his crystal meth. See a jogger. See this woman jogging, 16 to 20 years old. Gets out his car, chases her down, pulls a knife on her, pulls her clothes off, and rapes her. And leaves the scene. Mind you, he pulled the bid, right? So they got his DNA and all that, right? So they go over to her house, or they house, looking for him. They catch the fool. He's locked up now. But my point is, I never wanted to be around. I mean, me and this girl, we was like this, raising our kids together. She raised my son, helped raise my son. That's his family member, right? I just woke up, y'all. I've been asleep, catching up on my sleep. So that's his family member. But after they got together, this husband and this, the energy was off. Okay? I never wanted to be around him. And this is why. Because all them demons that was on him, I don't want them motherfuckers jumping off on me. Okay? So I stay clear of, I'm not into giving my energy to anyone who's gonna suck the life out of me. And that goes to any relative. I just listened to, you guys heard me listening to that, I'm gonna post his information in this subscription box, but talking about the fifth dimension, right? A lot of you are in the third dimension. I'm way beyond that. I got out of that in 2011. I'm on the fourth dimension on my way to the fifth dimension, okay? Do your research, okay? Do your research. So as I was here listening to him and I meditated on his video, some things came crystal clear to me. And it was regarding what had happened to me when I was 3 years old. So I gave it up. It's all up there. It's all in love. It's all love around here. I'm a salt rock. Anyway, champions, you guys create a great rest of your day. And Godspeed. I'm gonna make me a little jingle for the end. You know, the beginning and the end. You know, like, what's up, Bobby Lovely? Or Tracy's Pieces, Tracy's Piece, or whatever she say. I don't know what to do. Or yeah, I'm gonna do something like that. All right, guys, this is it. I'm full. I'm not gonna eat no more. I'm just gonna chill here. Me and Bubba, I'll just chill. That's it. I'm gonna eat my corn though, and that bang bang sauce. Got anything you wanna add, Bubba? He's so happy to be out that freaking car ride. He don't know what to do. All right, y'all.